I think this could be my favorite site here at our fabrication shop. Edgesanders, one after the other. This is probably the best-selling woodworking equipment of 2024 and 2025. Our assembly line of all the heads getting made. And this genius here, where are you going? You gotta be in the video. He has made some improvements. Wait till you see this little gadget. He got a mini CNC and magnetized it to the body so we could easily cut slots. We got another genius over here who has made us some really cool fixturing to make all of our drilling simple and easy. Love it. And when our customers talk, we listen, so we even got some improvements. We've extended the infeed table by a foot. We swapped out this big steel beam for an aluminum extrusion. It's lighter and allows us more flexibility when we're mounting things. It really helps when you have the best team in the world. So if you're still sanding those edges by hand, maybe it's time to give us a shout.